EPLANT-Piping Advanced Tutorial. This presentation shows the mechanism for transferring the information generated in the project 3D models to the database module and to keep it up to date. We open now a project in the database module. Each time this operation is executed, several basic verifications are carried out, such as checking the existence of all project database files and, in case not found, rebuild the missing ones from the corresponding defaults. The project version is also checked and updated if not, to synchronize it to the current EPLANT-Piping version. At last, the tables, which contain piping material, line list, equipment list and nozzle list, are automatically updated if needed. To this aim, the contents of the files with PD1 extension found in the project DBF folder are used. Each one of these files contains the information generated from a 3D model with the same name. Let's see how it works. This option shows the material takeoff status of all 3D models that are found in the project. This column shows all DWG files found in the main project folder. Each one of them is assumed to be a 3D model. This column shows the upload status of the information generated by EPLANT in each 3D model through the PD1 interchange files into the database. Status is deduced by comparing modification dates of both files. Information of this model is up to date. Of this model instead, the database module has no data. It could also be a drawing file not generated by EPLANT. In any case, it is a warning. In this case, the information in the database refers to a previous upload, and it could be outdated, but it could also be the consequence of having saved the DWG after the transfer file was generated. How do we fix this? We open the related model, and we execute this command that analyzes the model contents and generates the interchange file for the database module. Even for big drawing files, this operation takes a few seconds only. Keeping drawing files disconnected from the database modules allows maintaining compatibility with CAD native commands, such as copy and erase. It also allows copying models between different projects simply by copying them to the corresponding folder, without compromising in any way its contents. We come back to the database module. If we were to open the project now, this last interchange file would automatically be loaded, but the project is already open. Without exit the project, we can update it from the Utilities menu. The final result is the same. The upload process is also very fast, and if any errors are found, they are informed in this window. They are about the information that is generated during this process and could basically be due to inconsistencies in the definition of implicit elements, gaskets and bolts mainly, and missing weight values. Let's look again to the project status. We can see that this model is now up to date. In this way, any report that could be generated now reflects the current information contained in the 3D models. Of course, there is no need to constantly maintain the database synchronized with the 3D models, unless some report is to be needed. This architecture allows the flexibility to consolidate reports for a given revision, while the work could continue unabated inside the models.